Good morning and welcome to the 10 a.m. daily weather brief. Taking a look at our upper level wind profile from earlier this morning, winds at the bottom of our column are out of a more northwesterly direction, sitting around 25 knots and progressively increasing throughout, except for a brief lull of 16 knots at 6,000 feet before they begin increasing once again up to 25,000, where we see our max of 50 knots and a freezing level of 13,400 feet was also observed. Looking at the most recent surface analysis chart here, we can see that the cold front that pushed through yesterday afternoon and brought some stronger thunderstorms to the region continues to make its way offshore as a trough moves across the mid-Atlantic and high pressure begins to build in behind, which should bring what will be the coolest day of the next 7 days today, temperature-wise, and conditions then begin quickly changing come this weekend. By Saturday, we should see high pressure moving offshore, which will allow heat and humidity to return, with the temperatures climbing into the lower 90s and heat indices in the mid-90s. Sunday looks to be the start of what could be or what will be an early summer heat wave as a strong ridge settles over the mid-Atlantic region and temperatures climb towards the mid-90s, continuing through Monday and Tuesday with dew points in the 70s, allowing for those 100-plus degree heat indices to work their way in, and those are expected through Thursday, in which a slight chance of maybe an isolated shower, a very low chance, works its way into the forecast. Taking a look at the 24-hour risk chart for today, remaining largely unchanged from this morning. We started out with some light cloud cover at the upper levels, and that is expected to fully clear out as we move through the daytime hours today and into the early evening, in which some light cloud cover around 6,000 feet will start to build in and continue to do so to the early morning. Winds this morning out of the northwest, light gusting a little bit up to 15 or so before they gradually start working their way down and becoming more variable towards the overnight hours and into tomorrow morning, with a high of 84 expected today. Bringing us to the short-term weather risk chart here. Saturday, we can expect partly cloudy conditions with a high of 89. Saturday night, partly to mostly cloudy and a low of 73. And Sunday, we can expect mostly sunny skies and a high of 91, with greens across the board for precip, lightning, winds, and ceiling. And for the 7-day forecast, a hot week ahead with mostly sunny skies and very light cloud cover periodically working its way into the equation. It appears that Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday will be the hottest of this next week, and those Thursday and Friday light or small precip chances working their way in at only 10% right now. But should be a nice week ahead, just hot weather as the main headline. And yeah, that is going to conclude the 7-day outlook, and we will be back on Monday with the 8:15 daily weather operations brief. Have a good weekend, everyone.